Hello, and welcome to this demo. In this demo, we will walk through the web console and the CLI interface for Openshift. In the previous demo, we were able to access the web console using the IP address of the Minishift VM and port 8443. Once logged in, you are presented with a catalog. This catalog provides pre-configured build configurations to deploy applications and services on Openshift. For example, to deploy a Python application, select the Python catalog item, which brings up a wizard to deploy an application developed on Python. Similarly, deploy other services such as databases or CI/CD pipelines in the same way. We will look more into some of these catalog items and how to create custom catalog items later during this course. On the right, you have a set of projects. By default, a project named My Project is created for you. You may click on the Create Project button to create a new project. For now, we will go with the existing project. Clicking on the project will take you to the project's window. In the project window, you get to see an overview of the various applications added to the project, their build configurations, deployment configurations, additional resources, storage, monitoring, etc. Click on the Add to Project in the top right to add applications or resources to the project. We will look at adding applications to projects later in the Projects section. To use the CLI, we use the OC command line tool. This tool comes pre-configured with Minishift. But if you are not using Minishift and didn't have the tool downloaded, go to the top right corner of the web console and under the Help button, select Command Line Tools. Here you find a link to download the latest version of the OC tool. Once downloaded, you may use the commands provided here to log in and get started with the tool. For now, we will use the OC tool that comes with Minishift. Back in the command line, as part of the output of the Minishift start command, we have instructions to get started with the OC tool. The command to log in using OC tool is provided. Running the command, however, results in this error. This is because we haven't set the path to the OC tool in the Windows environment. To get the command to set this path, run the Minishift OC-env command. This prints a ready-made command to set path in the command prompt. We run this command to set the path and rerun the OC login command, and we are in. We are now logged in to Openshift cluster in the CLI using System Admin User. This is an admin user and has access to all projects, including the default projects created by Openshift at startup. Next, we will take a quick look at the Openshift REST API. We will use curl to run a simple API call to get a list of projects for a user. I will make an attempt to send a GET request to the API https://192.168.99.102:8443, followed by the API, which is OAPI/v1/projects. If I were to run this as is, first it complains about secure certificates, as we have not configured SSL. I will simply add the -k option to pass through this error. Now I get the forbidden error. This is obviously because we haven't authorized the API request. To solve this, we attach an authorization header to the API call using the -h option and provide a token. To get the token, we go back to the OC tool and log in using the developer user. Once logged in, run the whoami command to make sure we are the right user, and run the same command with the -t option to get the token. We then use this token in the API call and get a response with the list of projects in a JSON format. That's it for this demo. I'll see you in the next lecture.